Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to tell that Lexmark is here for the serial earbud here, the driver the look. And this why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for official website. And this here official website you click here. This why you scroll down. It's here for you click here for the support. Click here for title support and click here for title driver and download, and this here for search by device model to print, and this here for type automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. And if you need make the operating system for the Windows 11, and this here for the type automatic your Windows 11, and your Mac the operating system for the Mac for the Macintosh or the Linux, and this here for the tag automatic your Macintosh or the Linux, and this here for the driver recommended for you. This here for the printer and scanner. If you need to you click here for the drive for the button download driver package. Click here and click here. This here for the tag your operating system for the Windows 11 support, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for the Windows Server support. If you need a lot, you click here for button start a lot. This here for your driver to load. This here for your driver to load. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and please why finish refer the load. If you finish refer the load, you double click here or you click here, you click open, and this here for you open the file, and you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the type automatic your USB cable printer, and this here for the type automatic your the printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.